Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. So here we are going to learn about Git. So GitHub, it's a popular way to it's a popular method of version control system. So first let me show you an example. So now what we can do is we can create a new text file to make you understand. You can name anything you want. Now you are entering the text as something and it can be a meaningful name, hello. Now you are saving this, and after some days what you want to do is you want to update this to hello Sheshadhree. And now now we are saving it again. Now we have saved it. Now if we open this, and I think we need to close this here, and if we now open this, there will be an hello Sheshadhree. So let me show you in GitHub itself. So come to GitHub where you have created your account. So this is my account. So Sheshadhree, and now let's start a project. We can create a repository. So this repository name is, we can name it as demo1. So you have two options here. You can have public or private. That is, a public repository can be seen by anyone, but the private one, or the private repositories, you can choose who can see and commit to this repository. That is, it is a public private one. That is, you have privacy and you won't be sharing your project with anyone. So let me just go to onemore.com and we can see GitHub pricing. We can go to GitHub pricing. So here you can see, so it is free for all the developers, and it has unlimited public or private repositories. And now we have for team enterprise GitHub one. Here we can create for public or private repositories for free. And now we have for team enterprise and GitHub one. Choose the one which suits you. If your team, go with this team. So now after this, here we need to come back to the home, and now we are creating a repository called the demo1. We can make it as public, so we can able to modify. We don't need to add any description. We can initialize this repository with readme. That is, this will let you immediately clone the repository to your computer. That is, we can download it directly to our computer. So now we can create a repository. So yeah, it has created our repository. Now what we can do is, now we can add a new file, create new file. Here basically this GitHub can host whatever be your file type, that is Java, C, C++, Python, TypeScript or CSS or whatever it may be. All the file types are supported in this GitHub. So let us create a text file. So now we can name it as some recipes. Yeah, it will be good. Now first what we are doing is, first you can type it as hi, I am a chef. Now after this, here we have a message. What we have did in this file, we have created a recipe file. This is what we have done here. And now commit directly to the master branch or create a new branch for this commit and start protocols. Now don't worry about this option. Now you can commit directly to the master branch and commit new file. Now yeah, it will be now committed. Now here you can see two commits. Now we have recipes and everything. Now after this, what we need to do is, so now after this we can have like a timeline. So now this is recipes version 1.0. Now we can add recipes. Now we can recipes version 1.1. We can name it as 1.1. Now my name is Sheshadhree. My name is Sheshadhree. Now this is 1.1. Now we have updating our recipes. Now updated name. Now we can commit changes. Now we have created the 1.1. Now we have one contributor here, and here you can see the commits where it is. Here you can go to code. Here you can see 3 commits are there. Now after that, now I am adding one more recipe. Yeah. Now I am editing this. Just watch this tutorial. Don't skip this. This is very important. Now I am adding the recipe 1 as Barotta or pizza. Yeah, pizza is better. I am adding the recipe 1 as pizza. Now we can name it as pizza. This is the changes which we have made in this file. That is the comment of this file, and we have committing this changes. Now what we can do is, instead of this 1 point recipe 1, I want to change it back to something called burger. Yeah, for that what you will do is you can edit and you will be deleting this file. So instead of doing this, what we can do, one more thing is, go to code, and now here you have 4 commits. Click on it. Now here we have pizza, and here we have the updated name. So here we can access this file. That is, at this point of time we can access this file. Yeah, see here you can see, browse the repository at this point in the history. That is, at this time how was this repository. So we can come here, and now if you see in the recipes, there will be only my name is Sheshadhree. Now we can edit. Yeah, where is the edit? Yeah, now we can, no, it's not this one. Let me show you guys. Wait a minute. It is 4 comments. It is this one. At this point of time we have a file, and now what you can do is, so what we can do is we can edit from here. So let me show you how in the next tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial.